As one of the most effective methods, low moisture carpet cleaning is a foolproof method to make sure that carpets stay pristine. Should you opt for this service? To ascertain that, PROMASTER is here to help. Low moisture carpet cleaning refers to a number of various carpet cleaning techniques. These can include dry cleaning, bonnet cleaning and encapsulation among others. Low moisture techniques offer a number of advantages. They have a faster drying time than most other methods. And because their resultant water waste isn't as high, these methods reduce the risk of overwetting or resoiling carpets. Many people are embracing the VLM encapsulation method because it relies on the use of organic solutions and science, and uses only minimal water. First, the VLM carpet cleaning professional vacuums the entire carpet with a commercial machine, to ensure as much dry soil as possible is removed before any moisture is applied to the carpet surface. In situations where there is heavy soil or pet stains smells, a counter-rotating brushed CRB machine is used, to dig up dry soil and debris from deep within the carpet, where a regular vacuum cannot reach. This is a common place for pet hair and smells to get trapped. A second vacuuming of the entire carpet ensures that any remaining debris and dust are completely removed. Once all the dry soil is removed, the carpet cleaning professional then pre-sprays your carpet with a solution that is designed to surround and capture the remaining soil on a micro level. After waiting a few minutes, they then run their carpet-specific oscillating pad op machine over the carpet, with the proper pad fiber or microfiber. This separates the soil and encapsulation liquid from the fibers of your carpet, while the dirt is collected and removed completely from your carpet. The fact that they use only 16 ounces of solution per room ensures that the carpet is dry in about an hour. Another clear advantage to the VLM method is that it avoids extended drying times, which can be 8 or more hours with traditional steam cleaning. And those telltale spots and stains that often reappear once the carpet is completely dry. They don't come back when the VLM method is used. With the right chemistry, agitation and absorbent pads, professionals utilizing the VLM method can clean your carpets quickly and safely, especially for children, pets and those with certain allergies, and in an environmentally friendly way while extending the life of your carpet and improving your indoor air quality. In about 1 hour, you're back walking on your carpets, with no wet dog smell or hours of drying time.